Hi friends, in this session we will going to do the data analysis of CRD design for 16 treatments and 2 replications. Okay, and this is for the CRD analysis for equal number of replications or observations or plots. Okay, for example, we can consider the character name as a, let me change the color, make it red. Character name plant weight in gram. Okay, we need a data for the analysis, so we can do two things over here. First is you can input the data here directly, like 200 grams, 250 grams, then 250 grams, 230 grams. Likewise, you can directly give the input and you'll see here everything going to change automatically in the rest of the tables, like final table, anova table, then standard error, mean, CD. Okay, or just take your data which is you already inputted in your Excel sheet, just copy the data, just come to design, just select any cell, right click and paste values. Okay, so this is fully automatic design so that you'll get everything here. Okay, I'll explain a little bit here what exactly you will get from this Excel sheet. If you want this type of Excel sheet, definitely you can contact us. We will sell this type of Excel sheets for custom research. So if you want, I'll put my WhatsApp link in description box of this video. You just go to the description box of this video and just contact me. It's a paid Excel sheet. If you want, then definitely contact us. Okay, I'll show you what you will get exactly in this sheet, and you will get the soft copy of this sheet, okay, with the formulas. So here you will get the grand total, that is GT value. Okay, then this column you will get the treatment total for this T1, T2 up to T16, and then here you will get the treatment average. Here you will get the replication total and replication average, but this is the CRD design, so that we don't consider the replications. Okay, very important, ANOVA, that is analysis of variance. In that you will get the source of variation. In source of variation you can see here the treatments, below that error, it's also called as EDF, error degrees of freedom, or residual. Okay, residual or error degrees of freedoms are same. Here in this column you will get the degrees of freedom. You can see here the formulas T minus 1, N minus T, and N minus 1. For this, degrees of freedom for treatments 15 and total degrees of freedoms are 31. You'll get the sum of square, or here it's a calculation part. We need to calculate the sum of square for the treatments. You can see here the sum, that is total of treatments, and we need to make the square of each and everything and make the sum of squares. Okay, and divided by the number of observation, that is count. Okay, and minus correction factor. Likewise, we calculate the sum of square. Then mean sum of square, it's a very easy mean sum of square. We can calculate like sum of square already here. Okay, divided by degrees of freedom. You can see here the degrees of freedom. Then you will get the mean sum of square for treatments. Then if calculated, we need to calculate. It's also easy. We should have to consider the mean sum of square divided by the error sum of square. Okay, then you will get the table value for 5%. Then you will get the significance, very important. Okay, if you want F table value, or just if you want probable values, okay, then you can also ask me, sir, I want probability values also here, so that I will also modify this design for you, and we will provide you probability values as well. Okay, here you will get the significance of that particular treatment, whether it's significant or non-significant. Significant, it means there is a difference between the treatments. Okay, minimum 2 treatments are there. And whether it's non-significant, then you can say there is no difference among the treatment. So if there is a non-significant, then we don't do any further calculation, that is CD comparison or post hoc analysis. Okay, we avoid that if our treatments are non-significant. You'll get for 1% and 5%. Below in this table you will get the CV value, that is the coefficient of variation value. This should be the greater than 5 and less than 20 for field experiment, and less than 5%. These values are in percent. Okay, 5% for lab or polyhouse or any control environment experiment. Okay, you can consider that. For CD you'll get for 5% and 1%. If your treatments are non-significant, then not need to calculate CD values. You can just mention in final thesis, you can mention NA. Okay, just you can mention NA if your treatments are non-significant. But if there is significance, then you should have to put the CD values, and also you need to do the two type of analysis, that is CD comparison analysis and post hoc analysis. Okay, you'll get this in ANOVA table. Okay, and the final you will get the final thesis table. You can mention here whatever you want, you take from this table and you can put here. Okay, you just need to select this whole table and copy wherever you want. Below that you will get the graphical data representation. For character name, you can consider this the plant weight for the character name. You can see here the axis titles. For this below axis title, you can put the treatments, and for this axis title you can put the plant weight in gram, whatever unit you considered. Okay, you can put here the title name. You just need to click on this title and you can edit it. Okay, it's very simple, and this is the fully automatic design. We provide this type of sheets for the research data analysis for all researchers and students. Okay, so if you need this type of Excel sheet, then definitely contact us. Okay, this is paid sheet, please remember. If you want, then definitely you will get my WhatsApp number in the description box of this video, and definitely you can contact me. It's very simple. If you want to modify anything in this design, then you are able to do that. Okay, means if you want to change the values for the T3, you can able to do. Here is value, you can see the 454, and I want to make it a 400, then you are able to do, because it's a real time one. Okay, that's why you just contact me if you want, then definitely I will provide it. Thank you so much for watching. Or if any query regarding in your research, then definitely ask me. Definitely I'll answer your query. You can ask me in 3 languages: Marathi, Hindi, English. Okay, there is no worries for that. You can ask me in any language. If there is any other language you are speaking, then definitely ask me. I'll translate that language, and definitely I'll give you correct answer for that. Okay, if you want sheet, then definitely contact us. It's a paid sheet. Okay, thank you so much for watching.